Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Just Here and There. This is Ronald. Today I am in Mangalore in south of India. This place is famous for its beautiful beaches and delicious cuisine. Mangalore is a seafood paradise in India, and in this video I am taking you to one of the tastiest restaurants in the city named Hotel Narayana. This place is really underrated and it is one of the famous fish hotel in Mangalore. Here you'll get the best fish fry in the town. Take an auto so that you can just favor your food and return back without the frustration of finding a parking spot. Hotel Narayana is hidden near the Mangalore main fish bandar. Don't go there expecting comfort because it's not a luxury hotel, but if you can wait to find a table, then food is worth the wait. People out here will wait for some minutes definitely to get a seat. It is usually popular with the lunch crowd and with the locals out here. People waiting for the meal means it's always a good sign. Their preparation is authentic and spicy, ideal for food lovers. Mangaloreans will die to taste the awesomely awesome food here. We literally had to fight a way through the crowd to get the table up here. As you can see, every table is packed and the people literally waiting for the customers to exit. Food here is very much in demand. Last year, famous YouTuber Mark Wiens had lunch here. I actually came here after seeing his video. Narayana's fish meals sure do it out of the park. The fish curry is easily the best I have tasted among all meal spots, and the tawa fried fish comes with choices comprising the various catches of the day. My recommendation is Anjal fish without a doubt. I hope you'll visit this hidden place soon to have your lunch. Stay tuned till then to watch what I tasted, and if you're new to my channel then please do subscribe and share.
Anjal bangun mandi apa le? Anjal mana je?
Anjal.
Ini Anjal apa plate?
Anjal.
Anjal.
Bagus ya?
Aku ke mana? Magumla baby dulu. Tama yun. Five. Naka baba? Ini tadi taku.
Acu taste benda. Masala. Masuk ketika ni masala kalau tapi
Ini ചെല്ലിയല്ലേ പത്ത് മുതൽ 6 ഒരിക്കൽ 2